Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will talk about how to fill the course specification from the NCAAA. The form is issued in 2022. The number is T104. As you know, the NCAA works under the umbrella of the Education and Training Evaluation Commission. This is the cover page, the course specification, the course title, the course code, the program or the academic program, department. As you know, it can be more than one program in one department, the college, university, the version of the course specification, which means if it is approved before, so if it is number 1 or 2 or 3 version for the same academic program, and of course when the last revision date. Here you can pick date. As you see, there is no need to write the date, just pick it from here. For example, you can choose the year and the date like this, 15th of March 2022. The course title, for example, I will write logic design. Really, I liked the previous version. It's more what can we say? The colors were more suitable. And here we have different colors. Sorry, as you see, this color, other colors. I think it should be more simple, and maybe black and blue colors is enough. The course code, EE208. The program, electrical engineering. Department can be the same as, for example, electrical and computer engineering. So you can have another program, for example, computer engineering. The college, engineering. University, Majma University. The course specification, you can write 1 or 2 as you want. Now let's go. We have table of contents. We have here general information about the course. We already section A. We have general information. We have general information here about the course. After that, the contact hours based on the academic semester. Based on the academic semester, because as you know, in Saudi Arabia, some universities, they implemented the 3 semesters in one academic year, in addition to the summer semester. So the contact hours based on the academic semesters means, as you know, the contact hours, they are increased in every semester to cover the contents of the course. So it is based, you have 2 semesters or you have 3 semesters. The teaching mode, after that you have a course learning outcomes, teaching strategies, and assessment methods. I don't know why assessment methods in this color, as you see. The course content, subjects, student assessment activities, first exam, mid-exam, homework, quizzes, and final exam, learning resources and facilities, classrooms, labs, references and learning resource textbook, required facilities and equipment. Maybe you need blackboard, you need smartboard, you need other things. Assessment of course quality and specification approval data. Assessment of course quality or evaluation the quality of the course. So as you see, it is less information than the previous edition. Let's go to the first section A, general information about the course. What we have here, we have credit hours. For example, 3. I like to write like this, 3, maybe 2 of them theoretical, 1 tutorial, and 2 labs or practical. The course type, department, the level or year at which this course is offered. Really, in the 2-semester system, the level is from 1 to 8, and 3-semester system you will see to the 12 levels. So assuming you have only two semesters, all right, for example, third, or let's be, for example, 6 level, third, third, oh sorry, third year. Course general description. They didn't put a lot of space, but here you need to write the keywords or description of your course. For example, numbers, numbering systems within operations. For example, sorry, within operations, logic, operations, logic, design, others. So write the contents or description of your course through the keywords of your course. The prerequisite, for example, math 107, co-requisite, none, course main objectives by the end of the course, the student will For example, be familiar with the numbering systems, will be able to design simple logic circuits. So you write your objectives. Maybe one objective is enough, maybe two or three. Now the teaching mode. We have traditional classroom, e-learning, hybrid, traditional and e-learning, distance. Of course, most of universities trying now to use the hybrid, but after Corona now, I will use only the traditional classroom, which will be, I have to go up 212, which means I have 5 contact hours every week for 15 semester week. We said we have 2 semesters only, and every semester we have 15 weeks multiplied by 5, it will be 75. So writing here 75, and the percentage will be 100%. Now the distribution of contact hours can written be here again. It is written based on the academic semester. So we have 2 academic semesters every year. We have lectures. One lecture equal 1 contact hours. We have 2 contact hours lectures every week by 15 will be 30 contact hours for lectures. For lab we'll have also 30, and for tutorial we'll have 15. So the total will be the same as here, 75 contact hours, 5 contact hours every week for 15 weeks. Okay, now let's go to course learning outcomes. What is new here? In the previous edition, in the third field was written only values. Now we have values, autonomy, and responsibility. We say these are the soft skills. This is a mistake here. It is not a CLO, it is PLO, because you are connecting the course outcomes with the PLO code from the program. And you have here teaching strategy and assessment method. So let's start by knowledge. For your course, of course, if you have an old course specification, you will do a copy paste for knowledge to recognize the differences between the numbering systems, the PLO, K, knowledge, K1, teaching strategy, lecture, maybe discussing or discussion. Okay, assessment method, traditional exams, homework. Okay, about skills, we have 2 types of skills. For example, solving problems related to logic design, maybe also using the Morgan theorem, Morgan theorem to find min-terms. For example, these two outcomes about solving problems. So this will be S1 and this will be S1. Lectures. Also we can use case study. We can use micro project for both. I will make a merge. Also here we have the same as here. Copy. Merge, we can write. Also you can add presentation report. Okay, maybe we can have additional learning outcome about design others and so factors. Design S2. Of course, they are the code of PLOs from the program. You can write here the same. Can be suitable. For soft skills, we can choose, for example, teamwork skill, or the ability of the students to work in a team. Let's make it V1. Here we can choose micro project, case study. How you can evaluate or assist? You can use observation. You can use presentation if a team will present their work. So you have now your learning outcomes linked to the program learning outcomes with teaching strategies and assessment method. Now, regarding student assessment activities, you can write, for example, first, mid, term. We have second, mid, term. We have home, work, and quizzes. We have micro project or case study. Also, you can write here final exam. So for the mid, can percent, this will be 8 week. Second midterm, for example, 13 or 12th week. We have home from the 1st to 12. Micro project started 7 to 9. We have 20% here. We have 10% here. We have 10% here. We have now 60 and 40 for the final, and the final, for example, 16 week. So we have now all the assessment activities, timing, and percentage, which is good. Now let's go about learning resource and facilities, essential references. For example, Marco. So, and others, logic, design principles, second edition 2015, for example, publishing company, Wiley. Supportive, you can write here what you want. And electronic materials, you can write web material or MATLAB or anything you will need as electronic material. Other learning materials, if you need, you can write here. For example, MATLAB. For example, MATLAB, okay. Now, required facilities, equipment facilities, you can write classroom, of course, you need classroom with 25 seats, classroom. Okay, maybe you will need also laboratories. We have lab here. Okay. Now, as a facilities or technology equipment, we all need maybe smart board, maybe math lab software, anything as a technology equipment. If you need other things, you can write here. Assessment of course quality. You see now it is filled. Previously it was empty. You had to fill by yourself. Effective of teaching, the assessor, for example, quality committee, or maybe students, and it will be indirect. Effective students assessment, maybe external evaluator, direct, will be given a form for evaluation quality of learning resources. Maybe the instructor himself, direct. The extent to which these have been achieved, quality committee, also direct. You can, of course, write other methods if you want, something like other. You can write it. I think it's enough. Specifications approval, the council meeting, department council, reference number 12, date 3/2/3. So we filled with you the new course specifications from the NCAAA 2022. We can go now and update. I don't know if we can update here or we cannot update. I don't know. Oh, yes, we can. I don't know. Well, we can update it. Previously, we could update it. Yes, you can update, but I don't know how it is. How you can update it here. Maybe we have here or here. I don't know. Or maybe here. But you have a link. Yes, you have a link. For example, if I want to go to this link, so it is previously linked. You don't need to update the contents. the table contents because it is linked internally. For the reference, control. So I have reference here. Thank you very much for watching.